Jo Mackenzie here, your watercolor coach. I'm here today to talk about the cost of art supplies and are we worth it? Not are the art supplies worth it, are we worth it? Because I think the bottom line is that we don't feel worthy. And the reason we don't feel worthy is because in general art is seen as frivolous, and I think the bottom line also is if we don't have the skills yet, we don't feel like we're worthy. And it's a catch-22 because if you don't, the way to get the skills is to have decent materials so that you can get better at the craft. Now, I thought maybe the best analogy, because I live in the world of analogy, is to a car. You know, we've all had to purchase a car at some point, and very few of us went out and bought a Porsche. And I think that most of the time that was because we didn't have the choice. You know, that's off the table. But we did have to buy a car and make decisions about its safety and how that fit our budget. I think very few of us, once we reached a certain age, were willing to go and buy the clunker. You know, the car that was really rusty, the car that wasn't going to pass inspection, the really squirrely deal. And that was because we wanted a certain experience in a car and we wanted safety and we valued ourselves. And we could validate that with saying, well, at least a car takes you places. Well, I'm going to argue art takes you places. It may not physically take you places, but it does take you places. And you don't have to buy the equivalent of a Porsche in order to get there. But if you're buying $5 brushes, it is the equivalent of buying the clunker car. So I know art is seen as frivolous. I hope that someday there will be a channel, not an art channel, but you know how they go news, weather, sports? From a very young age, I thought, oh, wouldn't it be cool if it was news, weather, art? But you know, that'll probably never happen. But it speaks to, again, how we kind of have to stand up as artists, maybe not to other people. This isn't about making a point to other people. It's about sort of saying it to our own selves. This is worth the effort, and you're working hard. And if you're watching this, you've been working hard for a very, very long time. And I'm going to tell you, you deserve that good brush, and it will be valuable. And after you make the purchase, it's painful to make the purchase, but once you make the purchase, you find yourself saying to yourself often, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So that's my tip for the day. Remember to keep the whites of your paper white and your paints wet, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.